Taking the little hammer, TLONER, ARES 12P stainless steel multi-tool for fishing, camping, hiking, automobiles. Give us a gift, you name it. Comes in a beautiful box, well protected. Behind here is going to be your case cover, cloth, and inside will be your tool. With the belt strap holder, we have here as one of the tools, a Phillips screwdriver and a bottle opener. The Phillips screwdriver, that's easy to put a screw in, and taking screws out. If I need to tighten something down, the Phillips screwdriver fits nicely in there and does a nice job. On the back of the unit is the release locking mechanism to unlock it. Opening up to the stripping pliers, locking needle nose pliers. We have a stripper. We have a cutter. And we have a needle nose. Easy to fold. Has a belt clip if you don't use the belt, to easy access. Now it's simply just hanging your tool up and putting to the side. Another feature of the tool is a blade. It opens up. It's able to cut anything. And it has a locking tab located here that you press in. And it locks into place. Let's not forget the 5mm areas of interest, the sockets. So if you're looking for a 12P stainless steel multi-tool for any use, this product is something that you may be looking for hiking, camping, automobiles, work, you name it. Something on the go that you can grab, clip onto your belt, have on your side whenever you need a certain and particular tool to do your job. I hope this product may be right for you, and thank you for viewing.